Welcome and thank you for being here. This presentation is brought to you by the Bridge Builder Collective. Today we are walking through Tennessee Hope and Tennessee Promise from start to finish: eligibility, dollars, schools, strategy, and common mistakes, so families finally have clarity. Many families believe college is unaffordable. In reality, Tennessee has created one of the strongest college affordability systems in the country. The problem is not access, it's understanding. Hope rewards academic effort and helps pay tuition at eligible colleges, universities, and technical programs across Tennessee. Hope focuses on tuition and required fees, the largest costs families face. Hope pays a fixed dollar amount, not a percentage. At community colleges and TCATs, this often covers most or all tuition. Students only need one of these, not all three. This flexibility allows many more students to qualify. Hope continues only if students stay academically eligible while enrolled in college. Completing the FAFSA is what triggers Hope consideration. There is no extra form. This is the official Hope school list. Hope follows the student, not the type of school. Families should always confirm eligibility on the College for Tennessee website. Promise fills the tuition gap after Hope, Pell, and other aid are applied. Promise does not have a set dollar amount. It simply pays what remains. Promise has more rules than Hope. Missing any step can result in losing the scholarship. Promise rewards responsibility, but families must stay organized. Promise applies to TCATs, community colleges, and select four-year schools only for associate degrees. Promise does not cover bachelor's degrees. We encourage families to aim for both programs. There is no downside. CTE pathways lead directly to high-demand careers and are fully supported by Hope and Promise. This clarification prevents costly mistakes for families. This strategy saves money without slowing students down. Many students graduate on time with 2 degrees instead of 1. This pathway gives students flexibility and freedom. This checklist prevents the most common and costly mistakes. This is about freedom, access, and long-term success. Tennessee has already built the pathway. Families just need the information. Thank you for your time. Please like, follow, and subscribe. And visit our website to learn how the Bridge Builder Collective continues supporting students and families.